Right, a video test. What's this? It's an Einhell TECW18, whatever it is. It's a it's a half-inch drive impact gun. Bit of a variable speed on it. It's running on a battery that is two-thirds full. This is on my wife's Mini. Rusty bolts, as you can see, been in there for ages, never been took out. Let's see what this baby does. There you go. Got that out. Cool. Sweet. I bought this because I have some normal drills that are that use these same batteries. I've got some Einhell drills. They're quite good stuff actually. They're not bad. I mean, they're not as good a standard as more premium makes, but they are LEDs on it. Look, they are pretty good. Well, that's fantastic. I'm happy with that. Brilliant.